Now we can study how can we find the area of a triangle. Also, we can solve some questions related with the area of a triangle. Area of a triangle. Listen, it's a parallelogram. And this is the height of this parallelogram. Then, if we are drawing a diagonal or if we are cutting this parallelogram, we will get a triangle. Okay. Now it's look like a triangle, half of this parallelogram. So, here we can think about area of parallelogram is equal to base into height. Okay. So, now this is half of that. So, find the half of this product. Half of breadth times height. So, not breadth, base. Okay. Base times height. Clear? So, now we can find area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Okay. Height is the altitude of that triangle. Okay. Then for a right angled triangle, here this will be the height of this triangle. 90-degree angle. That is the altitude. Then this also sometimes this will be the base at the time. Clear? Then for acute angled triangle, obtuse angled triangle, here will be the height. We have to get here 90 degree, that is perpendicular line. So, here this will be the height. Then here this will be the base of this triangle. Then for another triangles, inside will be the height. Okay. Clear? Then if it is H, here will be the base. Maybe sometimes we have to consider this one as height. So at the time we can take this one as base. Is it clear? Now we can find the solutions of exercise 11.2 group 2. First question is, a triangle is given there. Then the height is given as 3 centimeter. This is the altitude. So here will be 90 degree. Then the base is equal to 4 centimeter. We know that the area of a triangle is equal to area of a triangle. What is the equation? That is equal to half of base times height. This is the equation of the area of a triangle. Half BH. B is base and H will be the height. Here B is equal to 4 and H is equal to 3. Then one more thing, we have to find the half of this product. So 4 times 3, 12. 12 on 2 is equal to 6. So area, this is in centimeter. So we can write 6 centimeter square. Clear? Then the next question is a triangle and the height is equal to 3.2 centimeter and base will be 5 centimeter. We know the equation half BH, that is half of base 5 times 3.2 centimeter square. So 3.2 times 5, we can find the answer. 3.2 multiplied by 5, that is 2 5s are 10, then 1 will be there, 3 5s are 15 plus 1, 16. 16.0. So 16.0 we can write it as 16. 16 divided by 2 centimeter square. 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. 8 centimeter square is the answer. It is very easy. Here it's look like a right angled triangle. So height is equal to 4 centimeter and base will be 3 centimeter. What is the equation? Half times base 3 centimeter. 3 times height 4 centimeter squared. So 3 4s are 12. 12 divided by 2 centimeter square. 12 divided by 2 is equal to 6. So the answer is 6 centimeter square. Then question number D. This is an obtuse angled triangle. Altitude will be outside. That is the height of this triangle. So that is equal to 2 centimeter and base here. Base is equal to 3 centimeter. Then want to apply these values in the equation. Equation is here half times b into h. So 1 by 2 times base equal to 3 times h is equal to 2. 3 2s are 6. 6 on 2 is equal to 3 centimeter square. So now we can. So the area of this triangle is equal to 3 centimeter square. I think now you got the idea how can we find the area of a triangle. Now we can do solution 11.2 fourth question. Find missing values. That is, here some numbers are missing. Here height of a triangle. But area is given, base is given. And here base. Here also height. What is given? Here base and height. Here height and base. Sorry, area. Then here base and area. Okay, area of a triangle 87 centimeter square and base is equal to 15 centimeter. We have to find the area of this triangle. Sorry, height of this triangle and here base of this triangle. Here also height of this triangle. How can we find? Here we know the area of a triangle is equal to half into base into height. Clear? That is half BH. We have to substitute these given values in this equation. Okay. Then for this first question, base equal to 15 centimeter. So the equation is half times base times height. So here half will be there itself. Half into base. Base is given 15 centimeter, but we don't know the height. So we can write there height itself. Then area is given. Area is equal to 87 centimeter square. Clear? Then 15 by 2. 15 by 2 centimeter times height is equal to 87 centimeter square. So here 15 divided by 2 multiplied by, that is 15 on 2 multiplied by height. So here multiplication. We can take this value on RHS side. Then keep here what we have to find. Here height. We have to find the height. Keep it on LHS part. Then here what is here? 87 is there on RHS. That divided by 15 on 2. Okay, centimeter. Then 87 divided by will be multiplied by. How can we multiply? Take the reciprocal of 15 on 2. That will be 2 on 15. Clear? Next, we can multiply 87 and 2. 87 multiplied by 2. Then 14. Then 1 will be there. 8 2s are 16 plus 1, 7. 174 on 15 centimeter. We can divide 174 by 15. 1 times 15 is equal to 15. How many 15s are there in 17? 1 times. So, 1, 15, 15 here. Then subtract 7 minus 5, 2. Then write down this 4, 24. How many 15s are there in 24? 1. So, 1 again. That will be 15. Okay, then subtraction. 24 minus 5 is equal to 9. Here there is no number for write down. So, we can keep here 1 point. At the time, keep here 1 0. So, 15 times 6 is equal to 90. 15 6 are 90. So, that is equal to 11.6 centimeter. So, we can write here 11.6 centimeter. Clear for you? Next question is, we don't know the base. Half times base multiplied by height. Okay, that will be the area. So, here 1 by 2 itself into base. We don't know the base. We can write that base here. Then height is given. That is equal to 31.4 millimeter. That is equal to area is given 1256 millimeter squared. Okay. Then here 31 and 31.4 and 1 by 2 are in number form. We don't know base. So we can write base times 31.4 multiplied by 1. Multiply the numerators. That is 31.4 on 2. Now we have to find base. We know base is equal to base times height is equal to area. Here height we have to divide by 2 because 2 is the denominator. We can write it here. Then we can take this 31.4 on 2 on RHS side. So what is there on RHS? 1256. Here multiplying. So that will be division. 31.4 by 2. How can we do? We have to take the reciprocal of divisor. So 2 on 31.4. Clear? Then we have to find the 1256 times 2. Double of 1256. Multiplying by 2. That meant by double of this number. So that is equal to 2512 divided by 31.4. How can we find? First, we have to avoid the decimal number from denominator. Here one decimal number is there. So multiply by 10. So at that time we have to multiply the numerator also by 10. Then 25,120 the whole by 314. Here multiplying by 10. That time this 4 will be before this decimal. So how can we do this work? We can write the simplest form of this. So we can divide both numbers by 2. Okay. Then 314 divided by 2. 15. Then 7. This one will be 12. Then here will be 5. Then 6. 0. Okay. Then next we can divide this 12,560 by 157. 8 times 157. 8 will be there. That is equal to 1256. Then 10 we can keep it here. Okay, so we can divide both the numerator and denominator by 157. Here 1 will be there, here will be 80. So that is equal to 80 centimeter. So now we can say base of this triangle will be 80 centimeter. So here will be 80. Clear? For this question number C, base is given, that is equal to 22 centimeter. We don't know the height. We have to find height is equal to how much. Then area is given, that is equal to half base h, that is equal to 170.5 centimeter squared. So what is given here? Here height and base and area is given. We have to substitute these values in this equation. That is 1 by 2 times base 22 multiplied by height is equal to 170.5 centimeter squared. Then here we can cut 22 and 2, that will be 11. So 11 times height is equal to 170.5 centimeter squared. So height is equal to, we can divide this area by 11. Here multiplying by 11, so that will be dividing by 11 centimeter. So now we can divide 170.5 by 11. 111 will be here. 111 is equal to 11. Then 17 minus 11 is equal to 6. Then 60. Here 5 11s are 55. Then subtract 60 minus 55 is equal to 5. Write down this 5 here. Here this 0 is there. Then 55. Here point is there. Keep this point here itself. Okay. Then 11 5s are 55. Then subtract. So the answer is, that is the height of this triangle is equal to 15.5 centimeter. Okay. I think now you got it very clearly. It's very easy portion. Thank you.